Now students, we are going to study about the initial value theorem of signals and systems of Z transform. So signals and systems of Z transform initial value theorem states that the statement of the initial value theorem is x of 0 is equal to limit Z tends to infinity, Z tends to infinity of x of Z. This is the main point of initial value theorem, main statement. So how we are going to prove this initial value theorem? So proof, as we know the formula for Z transform. So what is the formula of Z transform? X of Z. So here we can write as the formula for Z transform. The formula for Z transform is x of Z is equal to summation of n is equal to minus infinity to infinity of x of n into z raised to minus n. Just consider this formula as it is the formula for Z transform. So here we are going to put the intervals as n is equal to 0 and n is equal to infinity. So we can write it as x of z is equal to summation of, we are going to put n is equal to 0 and n is equal to infinity. So here will be 0 and here will be infinity. So summation of n is equal to 0 tends to n is equal to infinity x of n into z raised to minus n. Understand this? This will be your equation 1. So what we are going to prove on the next step is x of z. We can write x of n into z raised to minus n in the Z transform equation as x of 0 into z raised to 0 plus x of 1 into z raised to minus 1. Here minus 1 is because here is minus n, plus x of 2 into z raised to minus 2. Here z raised to minus 2 is because we are going for infinity. Here will be x of 3 into z raised to minus 3, but we are going to write as dot 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 at means is infinity. So here, as we know in this equation, as z of 0 is, the z of 0 will be 1. So this will be 1, z of 0 will be 1. So instead of writing 1, we will write, we will give the limits. Here we are going to give the limits, लिमिट z टेंड्स टू इन्फिनिटी ऑफ x ऑफ z. सो हम लोग इन हिंदी वी कैन, इन हिंदी आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन इट. हम लोग इधर लिमिट एल एच एस और आर एच एस दोनों साइड लगाएंगे. वी आर गोइंग टू पुट द लिमिट्स ऑन एल एच एस एंड आर एच एस sides of this equation. So limit z tends to infinity of x of z. We have got x of z, z tends to infinity of x of z, we have got RHS. So is equal to limit z tends to infinity of x of 0 of z raised to 0 plus give the limits z tends to infinity to every term. So limit z tends to infinity of x of 1 into z raised to minus 1 plus limit z tends to infinity x of 2 into z raised to minus 2, and this will be to infinity. Okay, so as we know here as z of 0 is 1, so this will be 1, z of 0 is 1, so this will be 1. So we can write limit z tends to infinity x of z. So x here is 1, so x of 0 will be as x of 0 only, and plus limit z tends to infinity. Now we can write x of 1 into z raised to minus 1. So we can write z raised to minus 1 in the term of 1 upon z, 1 will be numerator and z will be denominator, and the minus sign considered as numerator and denominator. In same term, we can write limit z tends to infinity x of 2. We can write x of 2 as 2 upon z square, and this will be plus 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 to infinity. So finally, limit z tends to infinity of x of z is equal to x of 0. Now this infinity into 1, put here z is equal to infinity. So plus infinity, this will be infinity, this will be infinity, and this will be infinity. So if all is infinity, we have got the value 0, x of 0 plus 0. So what is x of 0 plus 0 is only x of 0. So we have got here limit z tends to infinity x of z is equal to x of 0. That's the point. So this will be equal to LHS is equal to RHS. So here limit z tends to infinity x of z is equal to x of 0. We have proved here x of 0 is equal to z tends to infinity of x of z. So this equation will be as this, and finally we can write as hence the initial value theorem is proved. In the signals and systems paper, this theorem can be considered for 5 to 10 marks. Thank you so much for this video. Keep subscribing and like it. Okay, will be coming up later for next video. So have a good time. Peace.